G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've got here is the Wurth Ultra Foam Wash Starter Pack. It's on special all throughout the month of July. So let's have a look what we get. We get 220 litres of the Ultra Foam Wash. We get a tap so we can get it out of the drums, and we get the absolutely fantastic Wurth 1.5 litre foaming pump bottle. Now let's talk about the Ultra Foam Wash. So the Ultra Foam Wash, it's biodegradable, it's pH neutral, and it's fantastic for all your general purpose cleaning. So if you want to wash your car or your truck, if you want to wash your boat, if you want to wash down your workshop floors, it's fantastic for all that. And being biodegradable, it won't affect the environment. The Wurth foaming pump bottle, it's also fantastic around the home and the workshop because it foams up. Now it has 3 foaming levels, and to produce those, it comes with little foaming nozzles. There's 2 supplied in this little pack, and there's also 1 in the gun for different foam levels. Now let's go and have a look at the Ultra Foam Wash and the foaming pump bottle in action. So the Wurth foaming pump bottle, with its 3 little inserts that give you different foaming levels, what that enables the product to do is linger on the surface longer and soak into a really soiled area, so you can clean it off much easier. The Ultra Foam Wash also needs to be diluted, so check the side of the drum on how much soiling you've got, and it'll tell you your mixing ratios. Now, I've been out in the warehouse. I wanted to pair this pack with one of my freebies. And what I've come up with is, because we're going to be washing and there's going to be a lot of water around, I thought, what better than a Wurth golf umbrella? So if you want this pack and the free golf umbrella, go on the Wurth app or eShop. Put the pack in your cart, and when you go to the checkout, put in "G'day umbrella," and we'll send you out the pack and the free umbrella. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And Ultra Foam Wash, it's ready for work.